Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about fractions. More specifically, we're going to be learning about the definition of a fraction and some examples. To get us started, let's talk about what a fraction is. So a fraction is a quantity that is less than a whole, meaning it is less than 1. A fraction is a number that represents a part of something. So for example, here we have 3 over 8. And that represents 3 parts out of 8 equal parts. And that can also be read as 3/8. Here, let's go over some examples and non-examples of what a fraction is and what it looks like. So here we have 3 over 4, which can be read as 3/4. Here we have -1 over 2, which can be read as -1/2. Here we have 2 over 5, which can be read as 2/5. Here we have -6 over 13. And finally, we have 7 over 10, and that can be read as 7/10. Some non-examples include the number 12, because that's a whole number, but that can also be written in fraction form. We also have 7/10, and this is a decimal, which also can be written in fraction form, but it's currently not. Then we have 9, which also can be written in fraction form, but it currently is not. Then we have -5, which can be written in fraction form, but it is not. And here we have 5 3/10, where the 3 is repeating, which also can be written in fraction form, but it's currently written as a decimal. So let's go over some real-world examples. So one example would be pizza slices. So if we have 4 out of 8 pizza slices, that's the same thing as having half the pizza. Another example would be a chocolate bar piece. So we could have 3 out of 4 pieces. And then finally, another example would be a cake slice piece. And so we could have 11 out of 12 pieces. And that's how we would represent the part out of the whole. And that's it.